open and close.
My name is Nicole Fish, and I am co-owner of Fish and Field Biokinetics. So we're biokineticists, which is basically exercise rehabilitation. And at our practice, we tend to focus our therapy on aquatherapy. So aquatherapy is exercise in the water, and generally it's done in a heated swimming pool. Anything from 34 is your ideal therapeutic temperature, but anything from 32 to about 35, 36. Being able to exercise in an environment where it eliminates the effects of gravity is hugely beneficial to people who are suffering with joint pain, with any chronic conditions where they just constantly have muscle spasms or pain in the joints, or for anybody who is unable to move freely on the land. So people wheelchair bound, they would all benefit from the water, as the warm water allows for freedom of movement, allows for greater range in the joints, and allows to reduce in muscle spasticity. The aquatherapy is not really new in South Africa, but it's a very underutilized form of therapy. A lot of people have always felt that it's more for your senior citizens or your pregnant ladies would be the most people to benefit from it. And the access to facilities is difficult in South Africa. It is quite expensive to maintain a swimming pool at the right temperature for therapeutic benefits. So I think it has been really underutilized, and that's why a lot of people don't know about it. There aren't a lot of aquatherapy practices around for people to be able to go to and experience the aquatherapy. So the beauty of the aquatherapy is you don't need to be able to swim. So they will generally adjust your program to your level of comfort within the water. So most of the exercises, if you feel like you can't swim, then everything you start would be doing with your feet on the ground so that you feel safe and secure. And there's a therapist in the water with you at all times. And then as you get more comfortable, you can progress to the different kinds of exercises using noodles and flotation devices. We normally just start with a general warm-up in the deep water just to try and loosen up the body and just to get all the joints going. So we'll start with a lot of leg exercises, like a cycle, opening up the hips, getting the knees sort of moving, a bit of flexion extension, and start to get a little bit of the abs going. So that would be beneficial for people who have lower back pain or arthritic pain. They often will benefit from just that movement in the lumbar spine, as well as all the hip joints, the knee joints, ankle joints. And then if you've had a shoulder surgery, you would start with very gentle, using the water to assist your movement. And then as you get comfortable and pain-free, you would add resistance equipment to start creating more strength. So to tone the muscles and build slowly. We also would show you a little bit on the sportsman, so how you can use the water if you have an injury and are unable to train on the land to maintain your fitness in the pool. So you can carry on doing things like running or cycling, or just basically keeping up your cardiovascular fitness without creating any more sort of damage to an injured joint. Today I've been working with Amber, and she's been struggling with a bit of a knee injury as well as a little bit of lower back pain. So we start with some gentle loosening up movements in the deep water, and in the deep water you can get a little bit of traction sort of exercise to take the pressure off the lumbar spine and just get the knee moving, and then progressing her through to being able to doing some actual running just to keep that cardiovascular fitness up, and then afterwards doing some stretches. So stretching is a hugely important part of any exercise program, just to keep the mobility in all the joints. So generally, one would see a biokineticist for if you need any guidance on exercise and general health and well-being. So we do everything from non-communicable diseases. So if you've got high blood pressure, overweight, diabetes, we can give exercise programs structured to your personal needs to help you maintain or to manage those conditions, as well as if you've got your orthopedic conditions. So if you've had any hip replacements, knee replacements, just an ACL repair, a sprained ankle, what you would generally do is see the physio to get you back and pain-free, and from there we do all the strengthening exercises so that you can get back to your full daily activities, or if you're a sports person, back to the same level of sport before you were injured. So one of our biggest clients population that we see is people who are struggling with your inflammatory conditions like your rheumatoid arthritis. Generally, the hydrostatic pressure of the water helps a lot with inflammation in the joints and a lot with your lymph drainage. So that type of clientele gets quite a lot of relief from being in the warm water. And they often always struggle with a lot of joint pain. So the warmth of the water just takes all that pressure off the joints and allows them to move. And that movement of the joints actually helps to heal the joints. So we have 2 practices in Joburg at Fish and Field Biokinetics. So one here at Off Nickel Health and Wellness in Bryanston, and the other one is based in a retirement village, Santorino Retirement Village. And we also have a practice in Cape Town at Woodside Retirement Village, and both do land as well as water exercises. Anybody who's struggling with any sort of movement condition would benefit from aquatherapy.